Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to RAM Overloaded. Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix your webcam if it's not working on Google Chrome. So this tutorial applies to Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge or pretty much any Chromium web browsers. It's very similar across all of it. So first what you want to do is go to the settings, right? So Chrome is these three dots over here, and then go to settings. And now over here we want to go to privacy and security. You see on the left hand side, you're going to click that. So let's scroll down a bit. Okay, so we have a few options. Let's go to site settings. Now over here you'll see camera. All right, so let's click that and make sure it's on. So one is make sure you have a camera that's selected. Right now I don't have a camera attached to my device, so it's just showing this OBS virtual camera. But then you want to make sure the default behavior is that sites can ask to use your camera. All right, so if it's selected to don't allow sites, so this will just automatically make it not work. All right, so you want to do this one. So whenever a website does need your webcam, it will ask you, do you allow this website to use your webcam? You say yes or no then. But if you have this selected, it wouldn't even ask you, it'll just straight up reject it. So let's keep it at that, and you want to try again. So that's pretty much it, right? If you go to another browser settings, it will be very similar, right? It might be slightly different, but the options would always be under privacy and security, and then anywhere where you're setting the permissions of the browser. So whether it's like location, camera, microphone, anything like that. So it will be there. So camera, again, make sure it's selected to this. That's the default behavior. So yeah, let me know if this worked for you guys. If it didn't, definitely let me know. I'd love to look into it and find another solution. Other than that, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.